Looking for the best fish cleaning tables? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 fish cleaning tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Workstation. Comes with a 2.5 inches deep sink for shallow water and 4.5 inches extra deep sink for added convenience. Strong polyethylene top will maintain its appearance for years to come. Includes a full drain system. A top-notch fish and game cleaning table that is lightweight, durable and simple to transport. Drain strainers and piping are not standard sizes. At number 2. Tricam Fish and Game Cleaning Table. Includes a quick connect stainless steel faucet that can be attached to a garden hose and disconnected for storage. Offers a 150 pounds load capacity. Weighs only 27 pounds. Provides a tapered channel for seamless water drainage. A premium fish and game cleaning table that is easy to set up just about anywhere. Hose sometimes leaks. May need to turn off the water supply after each use. At number 1. Magma Products Tournament Series Dock Cleaning Station. Made of durable polyethylene that holds up well to weather, sun, and salt water. Components are ruggedly built, too. Can be rotated vertically so it's out of the way when not in use. FDA approved for food safety standards. A deluxe fish fillet cleaning and hunting table that comes with everything you need. Not portable like some of our other top picks. Pricey. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.